Alright, I'm 3 hours and 15 minutes into the trip so far. Going down the right canal this time. I'll probably need to refuel pretty soon. I've been running into quite a few people that are quite surprised to see me out here. Not a lot of white people out here. Seen some other big boats, some grain, rice boats. A lot of fishermen. I guess my biggest concern right now is this sunburn I'm probably getting on my arm. It's pretty hot out. I guess it's around at least over 92 degrees. I hope to be reaching the Mekong pretty soon in another few kilometers.